Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. I'm going to be showing you guys again how to save past streams from Mixer. Basically, my last video, some of you guys said it worked, some of you guys said it didn't, which is weird because as you can see I'm still on this website. Like, this website hasn't been like taken down or anything. It's literally mixer.com, so I don't understand why it would be taken down. Quick interruption, make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. Okay, back to the video. If I scroll down, it says keep recordings of my streams, literally right here. I'm going to copy and paste this website and have it in my description for you guys, so make sure you guys check my description after this video. What you have to do is turn this on and go to the bottom and click save like I just did, and that's basically it. So yeah, make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and if you guys are wondering why I'm doing these videos and not flipping, it's because I injured my knee, and also I just want to help you guys out because I stream and I was really looking for a way to do this that was pretty decently easy, and this is actually like the easiest way. So yeah, just go click the link, and that's basically it. See you guys in the next one. Peace.